In this video, I'm going to tell you the truth about Instagram and how most people are using Instagram completely wrong. So stick around for the whole video. This is info that you will not get anywhere else on YouTube. All right. So millions of people are scrolling every single day looking for ways to make money online. And you have these Instagram theme pages who are posting good content. They're getting followers, they're getting views, but they don't know how to monetize. All right. So they're using Instagram wrong. Excuse me, I've been sick. I'm not editing this ever. You don't need followers to make money online. A lot of people think that you need a huge account with lots of followers, and that's not right for two reasons. First, because if you have the right followers to buy your product, then that's what matters. And secondly, because especially when you're posting short form content, it's not your followers that see the post most of the times. It's being shown to people who don't follow you. If you look at the analytics, you'll see that. All right. The core problem is there's no real monetization strategy. Okay. So what happens is month after month, they might do a brand deal or, you know, make a post, get paid, but ultimately they start over month after month and you have to recreate that income from the last month. Okay. So the income itself is extremely inconsistent. So here's what to do instead. All right. What you need is the traffic and the right income system. Okay. The right income system unlocks real passive income, consistent income that pays you month after month. Okay. So views are not money and followers are not money. What you have to do instead is earn a reoccurring income. Okay. And there's several different ways to do that, but I'm going to share the best possible way in this video. All right. So what I want you to do is think about promoting an affiliate offer that pays out $25 recurring commissions every single month. If you refer 40 people, that's $1,000 a month right there. And I want you to think about for a second what $1,000 a month would do for your life. Okay. Imagine even if you just posted one viral video and you got 40 active referrals from that one video. Okay. That's all it takes. Now you're earning $1,000 a month. Okay. And I'm sure that could help a lot of you listening here. It gets even better. Here we go. You don't need thousands of buyers. Okay. You don't necessarily need to go viral either. You could just stay consistent. What you do need is the right content structure and a repeatable system. So, faceless Instagram theme pages are perfect for this. So, it's a perfect vehicle. You don't need to show your face. You don't need a personal brand. You just need the viral video framework and a proven format that works time after time. Okay. A lot of times, the reason I recommend faceless is because Instagram and other short form platforms are optimizing for watch time and shares and saves. Okay. And a lot of times, having your face, your ugly face on the video, might deter people from sharing the video. Okay. So, a lot of times, the faceless posts do even better. Okay. Because they're a little bit more shareable. All right. Now, we need to take advantage of this short form content time that we're living in because this is unlike any other time in history. This is where, you can start from zero and truly bring a lot of traffic to any offer that you're promoting, whether it's Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube. You need to be taking advantage of short form content. All right. So you don't need a big audience. You just need the right opportunity. Here's the crazy part. It's the easiest model to start, very simple content, very repeatable. After analyzing thousands of the most viral videos on Instagram, what I notice is a very consistent pattern. And it doesn't require your face, it doesn't require some crazy charisma. If that were the case, I would tell you exactly what to do when it comes to that. I would tell you to become as charismatic as possible, edit the crap out of the video, use B-roll, you know, do all the fancy edits. But when you actually look at the top performing videos, usually they're very short with text on the screen and some music, and they're very, very low production quality. So it becomes very easy to see, you know, what videos take advantage of the algorithm the best. And you're not stuck, putting a ton of effort into every single video just for it to flop. What you need to do instead is stay consistent with the right framework and post 3 times a day, every month. And eventually you get one to pop. And that's how every Instagram account works. You have a lot of videos that don't do very well, and then a couple that have millions of views. That's how every popular creator grows. Okay. So one thing that you can do is start a single page, or you can post on 2 pages, 5 pages, or an entire network. Okay. So I can teach you how to do that, how to safely run multiple accounts. It is very tricky. Instagram does not like you doing this, but at the end of the day, you can run many different accounts if you know how to set it up the right way. Otherwise, you'll get shadow banned for sure, and you'll be dealing with low trust accounts. And Instagram is very, very picky about the accounts that you're posting from. Okay, so every account has a trust score, and that trust score will kind of decide your initial reach. Okay, and then from there, Instagram is going to decide based on how that initial reach went, how many people liked, saved, watched your videos. But if you're getting a very small test audience because you're a low trust account, it becomes much more difficult to go viral consistently. All right. So what I want you to imagine is having the right offer and going viral several times over. Okay, with a offer that pays reoccurring income. Now that can change your life forever, right? You're going to earn from a reel that you posted today, a year from now, several years from now. And that's really how you take advantage of short form content and how to do Instagram the right way. Stick with me. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do and what to promote. All right. So what you're doing is affiliate marketing. You're promoting someone else's offer for a commission. All right. And the great part about that is, the better you get, the more you earn. All right. So instead of working, some kind of job where you can be fired at any moment, instead you can post on social media and earn. And if you're earning like a reoccurring income, excuse me, there's no chance that you're going to get fired, right? Or stop that income. All right. So you need a clear system with a proven strategy and step-by-step guidance. Okay. I've posted for many, many years on Instagram, not knowing what the heck I was doing. And I needed someone to come along and tell me what to do and what would make videos go viral. Okay. So we talked about starting a faceless Instagram theme page. It's very easy to start, built for virality, and perfect for this opportunity I'm going to share with you now on affiliate marketing. All right. So you need to know exactly what to post and how to monetize. All right. With a proven content strategy, proven framework, community support, and learning what to do instead of posting blindly for years like I did. Okay. So what you need to do is sign up for Project Profit. That is my school group. It's in the link in the description below. I teach you exactly how to optimize your accounts for maximum trust and reach. I teach you the exact viral video formula, and it also acts as the vehicle for you to make money. So once you join the group, you get an affiliate link, and your job is to refer other people to the group. Okay? So I teach you how to grow your theme page. I teach you viral content that works. I teach you how to monetize, and I give you the opportunity to monetize by referring other people to my group. There's no other offer like this that you're going to come across. It is the best affiliate program in the world. You don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive tools or mics or whatever. I tell you exactly what to do. So comment your income goal below. Share this video with a friend that wants to make money online. And check out the link in the description if you're ready to get started.